Welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm doing just a quick video and talk to you about this Blaster long-lasting surface shield. Now what this is a rust protectant, a rust inhibitor. So if you have things that rust, especially what I'm going to show you is really important. So stick with me with this, really important. You can spray this on all kinds of rusty bolts, rusty nails, anything rusty that you want to protect from not getting rusty. Your old shovel when you're shoveling snow and ice, see how the tips get rusty if you have an old metal one. This here will stop that. Under the carriage of the car, things like that. It's designed to do that. It's been in business since 1957. This is a USA made product, which I absolutely support 1,000%. And it works like a pro. It absolutely is important. But the most important reason why you should use this, let me show you what I'm talking about. First thing, let me just shake it up. So it sounds like spray paint, but it's really not. It's got that noise, like a ball in there. That's to shake up all the solvent that's in this container. And what this is designed to do is help coat and break up rust. And helps inhibit it and puts a coating on your metal. That's what this does. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, and you're gonna know exactly why you need something just like this. Let me show you. Okay, now it's hard to see because I'm up at an angle here, but see this cable here? See this cable? This is your garage door cable. And see how this gets rusty? I went through 2 or 3 of these, and I didn't know why. The lug here is all rusty, and I keep cleaning it, and it keeps getting rusty, and it keeps so the rust will travel. This is what happens. The rust will travel and actually break this cable within a couple of years. It keeps snapping the cable because it's not treated. The door gets, rain gets on the door, the rust keeps traveling up. You kind of forget about it, and before you know it, this cable snaps and you're not a happy camper. And you got to keep replacing these cables. That's a pain in the butt. But when you spray this cable, it helps put a coating on it. It will help eliminate all that stuff. So that's really super important. So I want to spray this down. If you want to take it all down, you can clean it with a wire brush if you want to, and get it all ready to clean up as much as possible. And you can see how it looks. So I'm going to get the can, we're going to spray it down and wipe it down with the rag and try to get it as clean as possible. And that's what we're going to do right now. That's why you need something like this. Really super important, guys. Really, really is. It's like one of the important things you have to do for maintenance. Rust on this cable. See all the rust on here? It's just really rusty. And luckily it didn't eat through yet, but you can see some of the windings are already starting to rip. And that's a problem. That's going to probably break. So need to clean that off as much as possible and then spray it down with that solution, and hopefully we can save it. But the idea is to spray it before this happens. This is already starting to really get really bad, unfortunately. I don't think that can be saved. That rust is pretty deep in there. Might get another year. Have to change it. But the idea is to spray it. Let's get this clean. Put this back on. I mean, the right way to do it is probably take a good wire brush again and wire that and spray it down and just clean as much as possible. But it's just a mess. The time I can get out of this, hopefully that'll neutralize that and save it. But that's what this is for. So definitely recommend this 1,000%. Do this before it gets rusty. When you first put them in, I would coat them, and that's all you got to do. So that's what I have for you guys. So that's something I would definitely do. Try to do that before you put on the new cables. I mean, this cable's probably about 1.5 years old. It's probably going to snap in another year. Hopefully it'll last longer. Now that I treated it with this, you can see those windings starting to break. And do both sides. And next time I change these cables, I'll have to take off those lags and have to really clean up really good with the wire brush, because they are just destroying every cable I put on. But this hopefully will help. So that's what I have for you guys. Definitely check out this product, and I'm definitely going to recommend this 1,000%. Don't forget to follow the channel for more. Hope I brought you some value, and appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.